How can I create an A-B split job in LISTSERV Maestro? A-B split testing is a powerful tool in email marketing and allows you to send two or more different versions of your message to random splits of your subscribers. You can then compare the response rates to see which version performed better and optimize future campaigns. To create an A-B split job, open the main menu and click on A-B split job under New. You have two options. You can either do a standard A-B split job where your subscribers are randomly divided among your variants, or you can do an A-B split job with sampling, which means that LISTSERV Maestro sends the variants to a small random sample first, allowing you to analyze the results and to send the best performing variant to the rest of your subscribers. The first thing that you need to do when creating an A-B split job is to select the recipients for the job. In order to get truly meaningful and statistically significant results, it's important that your recipient list is relatively large. This is especially true for an A-B split job with sampling, because the initial variants are sent to only a fraction of your total subscriber list. By default, LISTSERV Maestro only sends the sample variants to 25% of your subscribers, reserving 75% for the best performing variant, although you can adjust this percentage up or down depending on your circumstances by clicking on Edit in the top right corner. If your sampling variants only have a small number of subscribers, it will be impossible to get statistically significant data, because the smaller your subscriber numbers, the larger the likelihood that the differences in response rates are due to statistical noise rather than a true measure of the relative effectiveness of your messages. After you have selected your recipients for your A-B split job, the next step is to work on your content. You can have as many variants as you want, but we'll only use two in this example. Click on the variant ID for your first variant and enter the content. When doing A-B split testing, common things to test for include different subject lines to see if one is more successful in enticing your subscribers to open and act on your message than another. You can also test to see if one type of layout works better than another. Or you can even have two entirely different messages to see which campaign is more successful. Keep in mind, however, that it's usually best to test only one aspect at a time. If you have two variants with different subject lines and layouts, it will be hard to determine if the difference in performance was due to the subject line or the layout. In this example, we'll simply use the same content for the two variants, but with two different subject lines. After we have entered the content for the A variant, to save time, select Copy Settings from Other Variant for the B variant. The content will be automatically copied over, and we can now enter the new subject line for the second variant that we want to test. After you have gone through all of the steps of defining the sender address and doing the test mailing to your own email address, the next step is to determine how the best performing variant should be selected. To automate things as much as possible, we will let LISTSERV Maestro select the winning variant. Click the Edit link to choose your criteria. Here, we can decide if the winning variant should be selected based on a higher open rate, click rate, or share count if you're using social media sharing icons in your messages. You can also select how many days to collect data before declaring the winning variant. You also have detailed options on when the best performing variant should be sent to the rest of your subscribers. You can do this immediately after 3 days has elapsed, or on a specific weekday or time of day. Once you have made your selections and after you authorize the delivery of the job, everything is automatic. LISTSERV Maestro will send the 2 variants to a small random sample. It will gather data for 3 days, after which it will automatically send the best performing variant to the rest of your subscribers. All of the metrics for your variants will be available on the dashboard, allowing you to dig in deeper to see how your subscribers acted on your message and the difference in performance between the variants. Thank you for watching.